This is the Community Grants application form for organisations who are wishing to apply for cash support for their event or activity. The cover page of this application form gives you all the info you will need about our grant rounds. We've had a slight change to the program this year with a 4th round being added. Council has also shortened the opening times to 2 weeks. Because these forms are on our website, you can start your application at any time and have ready for submission during the opening dates. Our forms have remained relatively unchanged. Please ensure all the fillable fields are completed and that all supporting documentation is attached to your application. Page 1 is an application summary. Here, you will fill in all of the info relevant to your event. It also has a quick eligibility checklist for you to complete. In the remainder of the application form, Council asks you to provide us with more details relating to your event or activity, including the benefits to the Burdekin community, your event budget, and how you would spend grant money should you be successful in obtaining funding. The last page contains a document checklist and certification. Please make sure you tick all of the boxes relevant to you and attach all of the required documents to ensure your application is complete. You will notice the box mentions in-kind support. If you wish to apply for council assistance, you will need to check this box and fill in the separate application form for in-kind support and submit it together. Email is the quickest way to submit your application, however we will still accept via the other methods located at the bottom of your form. Of course, if you have any questions or have any dramas filling out your form, please contact a member of the Community Development team on 4783 9800.